everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to send SMS to Instagram leads and notify team on Google Chat. So I am an owner of a business and I promote my business using Instagram lead ads. Here what I want is that as soon as by any of my potential customers or clients, a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram lead ads, I want to send that lead an SMS first, and then I also want to notify my team on my Google Chat space that I've created, alerting them the lead has been generated. And if I'm going to do this manually, it is going to take me a lot of time. So what I did was I simply created an automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So here in this automation, what we are going to learn is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers or clients using Instagram lead ads, firstly towards the lead, an SMS is going to be forwarded using Twilio, and then I want to notify my team on the Google Chat that I've created, telling them the lead has been generated with lead details. And for that, we are going to create an automation between all of these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn about this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send SMS to Instagram leads and notify team on Google Chat. So I'm an owner of a business that receives inquiries via Instagram ad. I promote my business with the help of Instagram lead ads. By integrating Instagram with SMS service and Google Chat, we can immediately send personalized messages to potential customers, confirming their interest and providing initial information. Simultaneously, the sales team is notified on our Google Chat workspace, enabling us to jump into action and follow up with the lead. This approach not only speeds us the response time but also enhances the chances of converting leads into potential clients and customers. And we are going to be creating this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the workflow name, I'm going to give it as Send SMS to Instagram leads and notify team on Google Chat. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Okay. Next, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click right over here. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select Instagram lead automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to our workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create. In order to create a workflow is created in the name of Send SMS to Instagram leads and notify team on Google Chat, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps of our automation process, because our process depends on these 2 concepts over here. Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We're going to set up our trigger step first, and for the trigger application, I'm going to select it as Instagram lead ads. As with the help of Instagram lead ads, I'm promoting my business, and I want that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. So that is for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of the new lead being generated. So I have an Instagram account in the name of Michael Karras, as you can see right over here. And with the help of this page, I will be promoting my Instagram lead ads. Okay, I want that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically Pabbly Connect should have the response of that lead. Okay, and this page over here is connected to my Facebook page that I've created in the name of Peak Performance Physio. So this is the Facebook page that has been connected to this Instagram page right over here. I'll show you the connection. For that, click on Settings right over here. After click on Settings, scroll down, it says Permission. Under that, click on Linked Accounts. As you can see that over here, it says the Instagram is connected to this Peak Performance Physio page, as you can see right over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is my ads manager right over here, and the ad that I'm running right now is in draft. You can see right over here, as this is not a public campaign right over here. Okay, but if you are running an live campaign of Instagram lead ads, you're going to receive the response of the new lead being generated using Instagram ads. You can see right over here, this page is connected, that is Peak Performance Physio, with the Instagram page right over here, and this is the same page as you can see right over here. Okay, so this page is connected to my Facebook page. I'm going to go back to my Facebook page in the name of Peak Performance Physio. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are now going to set up Instagram lead ads in Pabbly Connect. For that, click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, click on connect with Instagram lead ads, but before that, remember to log into your Instagram and Facebook account that is connected to each other before clicking on this connect with Instagram lead ads button, because this is going to make the process of connecting Pabbly Connect and Instagram lead ads much easier. Okay, so I'm going to click on connect with Instagram lead ads. As you can see, that we successfully authorized Instagram lead ads to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for the page and the lead gen form. So for the page, I will be selecting the page that is connected to my Instagram account in the name of Peak Performance Physio. As this page is connected with this Instagram account of mine, so what I'm going to do is, for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Peak Performance Physio. Okay, after selecting the page, it is asking for us to select the lead gen form. So for the lead gen form, I have created a lead ads form in the name of new Instagram lead ads. Okay, you have to select the lead gen form from the drop down right over here. After selecting the page and the lead gen form, what we are going to do is we are going to turn on this simple response bracket, and then we are going to click on this save and send test request button. As we're going to do that, it is going to say waiting for webhook response. So now what we're going to do is we are going to generate a test lead using Instagram lead ads, and we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. And for generating the test lead, we are going to open the lead ads testing tool. With the help of this tool by Meta, we are going to generate the test leads. Okay, for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Peak Performance Physio, and for the form as new Instagram lead ads form, because this is the page and the form that we have created. Okay, after selecting it, we are going to click on this preview form button. As we're going to do that, this form is then going to appear, and with the help of this form, the lead are going to be generated. I've created this form. Okay, it is asking for the full name, email, and the phone number of our lead, so we're going to fill in the details. For the full name of my lead, I'm going to write it as test demo. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testdemo@pabblytuts.com, and for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on continue and on submit to do the test submission. As you can see right over here, it says your test lead has been sent. So now I'm going to open my workflow that I've created, and I'm going to check whether the test lead that we have generated is captured in my workflow as a response or not. For that, I'm going to open my workflow that I've created. I'm going to scroll down, and yes, you can see right over here, we have received the response of the test lead being generated. For the full name of our lead being test demo, for the email as testdemo@pabblytuts.com, and for the phone number, dummy mobile number with all the other details. So this means that we successfully connected Instagram lead ads to Pabbly Connect, and our trigger setup is done. So now, as we have connected Instagram lead ads to Pabbly Connect, whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of our potential customers or clients using Instagram lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Okay, now as we have done the trigger setup, we are going to set up our action step. And for the action application, as our objective is that to send SMS to Instagram lead ads, so we are going to send an SMS to our lead that has been generated. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to set up our action step, and for the action application, I will select it as Twilio, as with the help of Twilio, I will be sending SMS to all of my potential clients or customers. Okay, and for the action event, I'm going to select it as send SMS message, as now we're going to send the SMS to our potential clients and customers to notify them that the lead is now been successfully received to us. Okay, after selecting the action application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, it is asking for the account SID, authorization token, and the account SID again. So for the account SID and the authorization token, we need to log into our Twilio account. As you can see, that I've already logged into my Twilio account, and now we're going to connect our Twilio account to Pabbly Connect. So on the landing page of our Twilio account, you will be finding the account SID and the auth token right over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these details from here. I'm going to copy the SID token from here and paste it right over here. For the authorization token, copy the token from here and paste it right over here. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this save button. As we have done that, you can see Twilio is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect. Now we're going to set up our action step. It is asking for the body of the SMS that we want to send to our potential clients and customers. So what we are going to do is, for the body of the SMS, I want to write it as... So this is the message that I want to send to my lead. It says hello. Next to hello, it is asking for the lead's name. So for the lead's name, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is, as soon as I'm going to click on this field, you can see it says Instagram lead adds new lead instant. So this was the previous step of this workflow. And as I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. In the response, we have received the lead details, and as it is asking for the lead's name, so firstly I'm going to select this data from here, and in place of this variable I'm going to select the data from a previous step of my lead's name. As I've selected the data from the previous step, the data is mapped, and as I mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Okay, next it is saying, thank you for reaching out. We received your inquiry on Instagram and are excited to assist you. Our team will be in touch with you shortly with more details. If you have any questions, feel free to reply to this message. Peak Performance Physio. So this is the SMS that I want to send to my lead, and in the SMS body you can see I've added this character that is /n right over here. As in the help desk it says you can use /n for new line character, and as I want to add new lines over here, that is why I've added this character in place of this SMS body right over here. Okay, after that it's asking for the sender's number. We have to enter the approved sending number from our Twilio account right over here. So in my Twilio account you will see my Twilio phone number right over here. So I'm going to copy this from here and I'm going to paste it right over here. After doing that, it is asking for the recipient number. To which mobile number do we want to send an SMS to? So I'm going to map the data of the mobile number of my lead right over here, as I want to send them the SMS. So I've written the mobile number. So I mapped the mobile number right over here. Okay. After filling all the required details, it says a save and send test request. We are going to click on this button. But before that, in place of this recipient number, I mapped the data of a dummy mobile number, and SMS cannot be forwarded to this dummy number right over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this from here, and in place of the recipient number I'm going to enter my mobile number. So SMS is going to be forwarded on my number to check whether this workflow is working or not. Okay, so I'm going to enter my mobile number right over here. So as I've entered my mobile number, after that I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, you can see we have received a response, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to show you the screenshot of the SMS that has been forwarded on my number, and we're going to check whether we've received the SMS or not. So I'm going to show you the screenshot of the SMS that I've received. And yes, you can see right over here, as in the screenshot, you can see an SMS is received to my number. It says send from Twilio trial account. Hello test demo. This was the name of the lead, test lead that we have generated. It says, thank you for reaching out. We have received your inquiry on Instagram and are excited to assist you. Our team will be in touch with you shortly with more details. If you have any questions, feel free to reply to this message. Peak Performance Physio. So this is the SMS that has been forwarded to my number with the help of Twilio to the new lead being generated using Instagram lead ads. Okay, and as in the SMS you can see it says send from Twilio trial account. As my Twilio account is a trial account, that is why I have received this line with my SMS right over here. But if you have a paid account with Twilio, you're not going to receive this line over here. As I have the trial account, I have received the line, but if you have a paid account, you're not going to see this line in the SMS that has been forwarded to our potential clients or customers. Okay, so as now the SMS is successfully forwarded, I also want to notify my team on Google Chat space that I've created. So for that, we're going to add another action step to this workflow, and for the action application, what we are going to do is we are going to select it as Google Chat Hangout, as now we want to notify our team on our Google Chat space that we have created. Okay, and for the action event, I'm going to select as create message, as now we want to create a message and want to send it to our team on Google Chat space. Okay, after selecting the action application and the event, we are going to click on this connect button. After click on connect, it is asking for the chat webhook URL and for the message that we want to send. So for the chat webhook URL, how are we going to have the access of this URL? For that, click on this hyperlink learn more right over here. As we're going to do that, you will be landed towards this page, and if you're going to scroll down, you will see the steps given here below to have the access of the chat webhook URL. To have the access of the chat webhook URL, you need to open the space that you have created using Google Chats. So this is a space, this is a workspace that I've created using Google Chats, and on this space, I want to send the lead details as a notification to my team. Okay, so for having the chat webhook URL, we are going to click on this arrow right over here next to Instagram lead ads. This is the name of my space. I'm going to click on this arrow. After clicking on the arrow, these options are going to appear, and as over here it says apps and integrations, we are going to click on it. As we're going to do that, under apps and integrations, it says webhooks, we are going to select it, and over here it says webhooks, it says add webhooks, we are going to click on this. As we have done that, it is asking for the name and the avatar URL. So for the name over here, I'm going to write it as lead details. Okay, and for the avatar URL, in the help desk, we have received for avatar URL a link right over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link from here, and I'm going to paste this link over here in place of this avatar URL. Okay, and after that, I'm going to click on the save button. As I've done that, it says webhook created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link from here, and this is the chat webhook URL. So I'm going to paste the link right over here. I'm going to close the help desk. So this is how you receive the chat webhook URL. Okay, after that, it is asking for the message that we want to send to our team as a notification on our Google Chat space that we have created. So what we are going to do is for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I want to send as a notification to my team on Google Chat. It says new Instagram lead alert. It has the details of the lead name. For the lead's name, I'm going to map the data of the lead's name. Next, it is asking for the lead's phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the data of the lead's phone number right over here. And similarly for the lead's email, I'm going to map the data of the lead's email. It says please follow up the lead as soon as possible. Let's ensure a prompt and personalized response. Okay, so this is the message that I want to send as a notification on my Google Chat to my team. Okay, after pasting the chat webhook URL and entering the message that we want to send, now we're going to click on the save and send test request button. As we're going to do that, we're going to receive a response, wizard post response. So now I'm going to open my Google Chat space that I've created, and I'm going to check whether a new notification regarding the lead Instagram leads being generated or not is forwarded on my space that I've created or not. For that, I'm going to open my space that I've created, and yes, you can see in my space we have received a notification regarding the new Instagram lead alert. This has the details of the lead like the name, email, and the phone number. It says please follow up the lead as soon as possible. Let's ensure a prompt and a personalized response. So this means that as the notification is forwarded on my space that I've created in my Google Chat, this means that we successfully created an automation between Instagram lead ads, Twilio, and Google Chat with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business and I promote my business with the help of Instagram lead ads. My objective was that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers or clients with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically first to the lead, an SMS should be forwarded on their number. And after that, as the SMS is forwarded, I wanted to notify my team on my Google Chat workspace that I've created, telling them the new lead is generated with the lead details so that we can nurture the lead further. And for that, we have created this amazing automation between Instagram lead ads, Twilio, and Google Chat Hangout with the help of Pabbly Connect. And this is how you create this amazing automation. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.